Well, Kajabi is a tool which I use to build my network marketing business. Okay, so I'm building my network marketing business in auto mode by building some really awesome funnels, which are really helping me to build this complex business. Network marketing, it is so emotional business. We have to work with so many people, and still many of this heavy lifting is being done by Kajabi. Okay, so how I am using this tool for my network marketing business and also to build multiple income streams, that is what you are going to learn in this 5 days training on my YouTube channel. So do subscribe this YouTube channel, and also if you are listening to this word Kajabi tool, if you're listening to this tool about this tool for the very first time, I suggest you to go ahead and go ahead and take 30 days trial. Okay, so though you will learn everything, okay, in this 5 days workshop on this YouTube channel, but apart from that, I want you to go ahead and take 30 days free trial. Okay, it is, and you can actually unlock bonus worth $250. Okay, simply go to dnaclub.in/kajabi. This is my affiliate link. If you go to this link, dnaclub.in/kajabi, then if you take trial, okay, so you can actually email me. You will automatically receive an email from my side, and you can get all these bonuses absolutely free, which means 2 days workshop ticket for MLM automation, which is in English language, 2 days live workshop, ready to use Kajabi templates for network marketing, free personal consultation call for setup. Okay, we are going to help you in setup. One consultation call you are going to get. You also get access to exclusive Kajabi community where you can ask questions and see how other people are building this using Kajabi tool. Also, if you convert, I mean, after 1 month, if you decide to go ahead and use Kajabi for your business for long term, I mean, you start paying for it, then you get one consultation call every month with me, so that you can ask your questions regarding how to use this tool more smartly. Also, you get some email marketing scripts, lead generation hooks and poster samples, and also sample lead magnets. These are the free gifts from my side if you take Kajabi trial using my link. So basically, if you directly go to Kajabi website, they are going to offer you 14 days, but using my link you get 30 days. It's your benefit, and also you get access to all these things absolutely free. Okay, so go to dnaclub.in/kajabi. But now let's talk about day one. Okay, so in these 5 days I'm going to cover these topics. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you some interesting statistics about network marketing, understanding prospect journey in network marketing business. Okay, Kajabi tool is being used by consultant, coaches, affiliate marketers, digital marketers, but I'm going to share with you how to use this tool considering network marketing business. Then how to create Kajabi account and how to integrate your domain. So that is what we are going to cover today. Tomorrow, next day we are going to cover how to create website, how to create opt-in pages, how to create unlimited web pages in Kajabi, some use cases related to network marketing business, how I am using it. Then we are going to discuss third lesson, email automation. Then how to set up your trading system, okay, in Kajabi with Kajabi mobile app, and also how to set up Kajabi communities. I'm going to give you a short demo. And also day 5 we are going to discuss about duplication. It is so important in network marketing, duplication using Kajabi, gamification, and also how to build multiple income streams along with network marketing business using Kajabi. Okay, so I hope you're excited for this. Let's start. Okay, so today let me share with you some interesting statistics. Okay, so let me open this Google. Okay, yeah, this is the link. You can go to dnaclub.in/kajabi. So this is my affiliate link, by the way. Okay, you get 30 days trial. So let's first talk about some interesting statistics. So did you know that in last 7 days, okay, I'm into network marketing business. In last 7 days, we as a team we uploaded more than 100 YouTube videos. 278 people registered for our business webinar. 98 attended. This, and 4 people have placed partial order. 7 people bought the combo pack. 17 people registered, and this all happened 100% from home, without convincing anybody, without chasing any prospect, using webinars, using email automation, and and also working for 1 or 2 hours a day, which is mainly on the top of the funnel just to create content. Okay, so this is the statistics for last 7 days. And also let me show you one of my team members, Chancha Soni, she is my downline. She is making 50K per month consistently by building network marketing business using this tool Kajabi. Okay, but now I am paying for this tool, but being all my team members, all my downlines, I give them as an offer that if you become part of my team, then you don't have to pay for Kajabi, because I will duplicate funnels for you. This is what we are going to cover in last day. But But this is going to be very interesting. Okay, that Chanchal Soni, she creates content related to network marketing company related, and make money niche related content on YouTube. Then she invites people to grab a lead magnet, which is a webinar. Then she captures the leads using the landing page, which we create using Kajabi, then thank you page again in Kajabi, and then it goes to 5 days email sequence with a proper tag with Chanchal. Okay, so she uploads 15 videos per month, 250 leads approx she generates, and she does 3 meetings per day on Zoom. Okay, and here sometimes she do the closing on email, sometimes she do closing on during one-to-one meeting. Okay. And this entire funnel is being built by me, okay, using Kajabi tool. And also let me share with you some interesting testimonies. Okay, so can you see this? Okay, so people have just see this is a WhatsApp message. Okay, new automatic joining, thank you. Okay, then another person, again Chancha Soni, she got one person joined from Doha. Okay, then another team member, okay, she got another automatic joining. Then we got Pooja, she got 7 joining in one day automatically. Okay, 7 joining in one day automatically. Then we got Swati, she got 3 orders of she got orders from YouTube. Okay, and also if we go further, then more and more product sale, more and more joinings, automatic joinings, 2 a.m. okay, night 2 a.m. So these are the some of the things that we have. I have so many lists. Okay, so I don't want to bore you with this, but yes, I hope you understand that this is really working. Okay, now to make this work for you, first we need to understand our prospect journey in network marketing. How our prospect our prospect journey should not be by default, it should be by design, and we have to design that journey. So I gave one training to my team. Okay, and I just wrote this using my writing pad. Okay, so just I'm going to share with you. Okay, so we have to design our prospect journey. Okay, I understand that my writing is not very good, but let me explain. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to build our digital assets, especially network marketing. Okay, so these are the 5 steps. Number 1, to design our prospect journey, first we need to, okay, many people when they join network marketing, they ask this question from their upline, that is how to generate leads, how to find people, people for prospects for network marketing. But the real question should be how to do something so that the interested prospects reach us. Okay, which means you must know how to generate traffic, how to increase your visibility, how to increase your reach. And for this we suggest to create content. Okay, and content, the best platform right now is YouTube. Okay, go on YouTube, create content related to make money, network marketing, and also your company, and create your digital avatar, which means every YouTube video works like like a free advertisement. Then after that, second step is lead generation, where you actually create a landing page, thank you page, and lead magnet, where you are inviting people to actually opt in. Okay, and through email nurturing, you nurture people through email. All this can be done using Kajabi. And then business exposure, you give business exposure, you tell them what is this business in form of a video. So education, you give the presentation in auto mode, so we can use Kajabi for automated webinar. And then then for follow-up, we can use email marketing, email automation with a smart tagging system. Okay, in Kajabi. So increase your reach, capture leads and nurture them, give them business exposure through automation, follow-up and closing through email marketing, and inviting them to book a consultation call using Calendly. And then team onboarding, team training, where you upload your team trainings on Kajabi app, as Kajabi is LMS, learning management system, where your team members get access of trainings on the mobile app. So Kajabi mobile app and also Kajabi communities mobile app help them to be engaged, and also we can gamify their experience. So this is the simple prospect journey. I just wanted to give you an overview blueprint of this. Okay, let's understand recruitment funnels in network marketing. Okay, recruitment funnels, what are the different ways to recruit people? Again, this is my handwriting, so okay, sorry for not being very very clear here, but yes, let me explain this to you. Okay, so creating a one-to-one meeting funnel. Okay, in this here, just create content on YouTube and other places, content marketing platform, then invite them to book a consultation call. Maybe directly you can put your Calendly link, or maybe a landing page on Kajabi where you put your Calendly details there. Okay, like in my case, I have this page called dnaclub.in/ book now. So here this is a simple page which I created using Kajabi, where it plays a video. My video is playing here, and at the bottom then people can book a 30 days consultation call with me. They enter their details, then it directly takes them to the Calendly account. Okay, so this way you can do. Okay, another thing is you can directly put Calendly link. People, they book meeting. If in case they do not book the meeting, you can follow up using email. If in case they book meeting and come for one-to-one meeting, okay, if they show up, then you can then invite them to attend the webinar or presentation. So one-to-one meeting is basically to establish the connection, and then invite them for the webinar, then follow up and closing. Okay, so the follow up, webinar, all these things can be done in Kajabi. If in case they are not interested to watch the live webinar, in that case you can give a recorded video, which is again you can host on Kajabi, then follow up using email, and then you can try to close. Okay, so this is one-to-one meeting funnel. Then is lead magnet funnel, where you are creating content, then inviting people to download something. The call to action is download something, maybe in a PDF format, maybe a webinar, maybe different scripts, templates. So you create an opt-in page using Kajabi, then thank you page again on Kajabi, and then you deliver lead magnet using email, which is again you can automate this in Kajabi. Then you nurture them using email, and then again in every email you are inviting them to book a consultation call. You book a consultation call, you do it, and then finally you try to close. Third is live webinar, where you again generate traffic, invite them for webinar. So webinar registration page, thank you page, email nurturing, and then if they miss the webinar, then what to do. If they attend the webinar, then what to do. All these things you do in Kajabi. Then fourth is info product funnel, where you're generating traffic, inviting them to download, to come for your live webinar or maybe your webinar, free webinar. But when they opt in, they actually see OTO. OTO means a thank you page, where they see a one-time offer, where they can purchase something for, you provide a very good offer, just at a cost of pizza, just at a cost of coffee, you get something really valuable. So before they actually watch your webinar presentation, they pay to you. Okay, so this way you can try to sell some info products on your thank you page itself, and this way then you can invite them for the webinar, and then same funnel. Okay, then finally you follow up using emails. So these are some of the recruitment funnels. Okay, so one-to-one meeting funnel is also good. Okay, a webinar funnel is also good. Info product funnel, 5 days workshop, all these things, funnels can be designed using Kajabi. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's understand how to create Kajabi account. Okay. So to create Kajabi account, as I told you, what you need to do, you have to go to this link, go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi, use my affiliate link, and sign up, claim your 30 days free trial. 30 days trial, enter your name and email ID, continue, and then finally it will ask you to enter your credit card details. Within 30 days, it is not going to charge you anything. After 30 days, if you think this is not good for you, then you can close this. Okay, and nothing will be charged. So it is absolutely free. So first of all, create your free account. Once your account is created, then this is the admin panel. This is how it will look. So on the left hand side, you can see dashboard, product, sales, website. These are the options, and whatever options you create, you click there. On the main screen, you will see relevant information. Okay, so when you create your free account, okay, you can see this option. You can explore, you can click them one by one. Like if you want to create a website, click on website. Okay, so tomorrow, day number 2, next lesson, I'm going to share with you how to create website. But how to create a Kajabi account, it is simply just use that. And then after that, it's simply, if you have a domain, like in my case, my domain is dnaclub.in. It is my domain, dnaclub.in. So you can buy this domain from GoDaddy or other places. And then once your Kajabi account is created, simply you can go to settings. And once you go to settings, go to domain. And from here, very simply, Kajabi is going to guide you how to actually set up your domain. Okay, so very simply you can set up the domain. So domain like this. Okay, so it is going to give you proper instructions. So just follow the instructions and put those settings in GoDaddy or whatever from where you have purchased a domain, and that's it. Once your domain is integrated, within just few minutes, you can see if you hit your domain, and it is going to open your website. Like right now, you don't have a website. So tomorrow, I'm going to, in the next lesson, I'm going to share with you how to create a website in Kajabi, how to create landing pages, and how to capture leads, okay, using Kajabi portal. Okay, but I hope you understand. But right now, how I'm using Kajabi is these are the things, okay, which I'm actually using in Kajabi that makes this tool so powerful. Okay, that is, we can create a website, we can create a landing page, email marketing, email automation, learning management system, automated webinar, live webinar also we can do by embedding a YouTube video. Though I'm using another tool called Ever Webinar for automated and live webinar. Okay, then creating funnels. Okay, you can create unlimited funnels using Kajabi. Then lead magnets also you can host in Kajabi itself. You can capture and manage leads using automation. Then blog, you can also write a blog. Then podcast, you can upload your audio files and it is going to automatically push it to Spotify, Apple Podcast, and Google Podcast. And also you can create your own affiliate marketing program. Okay, if you have your own info product, you can convert your students into your affiliate partner. So all these things are covered in Kajabi itself. So imagine by just using one tool, you get all these things. So there are multiple tools like Convert. There is no use of ConvertKit, ClickFunnels. There is no need for all these multiple tools. You can use only one tool, and it ultimately becomes very, very cost effective. Okay, so I hope you understand this. If we go to Kajabi pricing, okay, let's understand Kajabi pricing. Okay, so Kajabi pricing starts with there are 3 plans basically. Okay, Kajabi pricing. So basically there are 3 plans. One is the starter plan, okay, basic plan, then the growth plan. Okay, so I'm basically, this is the, if we talk about annual, this is annual, this is monthly. So basic plan is $149 per month, where you get 3 products, 3 funnels. But though you can create unlimited landing pages, which means you can create unlimited funnels, unlimited marketing emails, 10,000 contacts. But I'm currently into $199 plan. This is what I suggest. But if in case you have money issues, then you can start with 149. But at least you can start with trial, and then later on you can decide which option you want to go ahead with. So $199, this is good option where you get 15 products, 15 funnels, unlimited landing pages you can create. Instead of 10,000 contacts, you get 25,000 contacts. Okay, and also you can create your own affiliate program, and also it has the ability to remove Kajabi branding, and you also get some advanced automations. So I suggest to use this. Okay, and you can also integrate with many other tools. Okay, but right now I suggest you to go ahead with trial first, get familiar with this, and also unlock all these bonuses which I'm giving to you if you use my affiliate link, dnaclub.in/Kajabi. Use this link and you can unlock all these freebies, okay, for bonus I'm giving to you just for using my link as a token of appreciation. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is lesson number 1, just a basic overview I've given about Kajabi. So homework for you would be to create a free account in Kajabi and try to integrate your domain. And if in case you create a free account, you can also book a consultation call with us, avail the bonuses. And tomorrow, next session, I'm going to tell you about how to create website, how to create opt-in pages, and how to create unlimited web pages in Kajabi. So stay tuned, subscribe this channel, and stay tuned and do watch lesson number 2. Thank you.